Welcome to how to watch movies on Amazon Prime Video. So in this video we are going to show you how to watch movies on Amazon Prime Video. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're gonna need to do, you will basically open up your browser and you will go to this link here where it says primevideo.com, and they also have the app. So if you open up the app store and type there Prime Video, you can basically download their app as well. And once you are on this page, what you're gonna need to do, if you have the membership, you will simply tap on this, and then what you're gonna need to do, you need to log in with your Amazon Prime Video account, and then you are good to go. Then you can basically browse, and then you can basically like watch movies there. And if you don't have the account, when you will basically make the account, you have to purchase their membership, and then from there you can basically watch movies. So it's just like Netflix. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.